discussing pollinating agents. Wind and water discussed already. Now come to the biotic agents. Majority of flowers are pollinated by biotic agents, nothing but animals. The flowers which are pollinated by animals is called zoophily. Zoophily also called animal pollination. In zoophily, different kinds of animals are involved in pollination. For example, flies, beetles, birds, mosquitoes, then insects, different kinds of animals. Humans also, including human also involved in pollination. Some large animals also involved in pollination. Such example, some large animals, primates, lemurs involved in pollination. Arboreal tree dwellers, arboreal rodents, tree dwelling snakes, some lizards, these are also involved in pollination. That's why these are all zoophily. Among these are all animals, insects are most common agents. Most common agent in biotic pollination is insects. In insects, which one is the most common biotic agent is bees. Bees are most common agent. Very important question. Theory 3 marks question. Briefly describe about animal pollination or zoophily, or briefly describe about insect pollination sometimes. 3 marks question. The flowers are which are pollinated by insects called insect pollination. Most common biotic agents in insect pollination is bees. Now I am going to explain about insect pollination. Exactly, sometimes theory question, insect pollination may chance to ask. Insect pollination are also called entomophily. Insect pollination. Keywords: anemophily, bee pollination; water pollination, hydrophily; insect pollination, entomophily. Different organisms also there. Ants, bats, that also I will going to discuss later. Insect pollination, say entomophily. Mostly the flowering plants are pollinated by insects. These type of characteristics. What type of characteristics of these insect pollinated flowers? Flowers are colorful. Fragrance. Flowers are colorful, fragrance, and produce nectar, rich in nectar. Flowers are colorful, large. Fragrance, and produce nectar, rich in nectar. These are the characteristics of insect pollinated flowers. What type of pollinates are there? The pollinates are sticky or spiny. I told you wind pollinated, water pollinated, insect comparison of pollinates. So the pollinate comparison, wind pollinated pollinates are light and non-sticky. Water pollinated pollinates are long and ripple-like. Long and ripple-like pollinates are present in Zostera. Longest pollinate, Zostera only, 250 millimeter long. Then insect pollinated pollinates are sticky and spiny. Sir, how are these are all helps pollination? How are these insects helps in pollination? Dekho Nana, I am a flower for example. This is the female flower. So the flower is very colorful. Then automatically insect attracted because of this one. When contact this stigma, when contact this anther, male flower, imagine male flower. When contact this male flower, it release the pollen grain from anther. The pollen grains because of sticky or spiny, it is attached to the abdomen of the insect. This insect will travel and reach to the female flower. This is a female flower stigma. When lay on the female flower, the pollen grain falls on the female. Same like that, contacting, then helps in pollination. Not only insect, even human also. Human, for example, you or me, when you are moving along the road, some pollen grains are stitched in our body parts. Then same, when we move in another place, the pollen grain will transfer to the stigma. Contacting, the pollination helps by contacting. Now come to insect pollination. These are nothing but colorful, large flowers, fragrance, then pollen grains producing rich in nectar, or sticky or spiny pollen grains. Then the insect pollinated flowers are. Sir, if large flower, okay sir, easily attract sir. small flower, what is the positions are? The small flowers are packed in inflorescence. देखो, this is inflorescence. Small flowers are packed in inflorescence. Make them to be conspicuous to attract the insects. How? How? Because they are producing some nectar. They are producing some rewards and awards. They are producing some rewards and awards to attract the insects. Helps in pollination. For example, insect pollinated plants are producing some rewards. Rewards are awards. Rewards are awards. So what type of rewards or awards are? For example, flies and beetles. Flies to beetles. The flowers are which are pollinated by flies and beetles. Those flowers are produce foul smell. Foul smell means a bad smell. So the flowers when produce a foul smell or bad smell, flies and beetles are attracted towards and helps in pollination. This is nothing but one type of reward. And one more thing, tallest flower in the world. Very, very important question. Name the plant. Tallest flower in the world. Amorphophallus. Amorphophallus is the tallest flower in the world. 6 feet height. Tallest flower in the world, Amorphophallus, 6 feet height. They provide safe area. To lay eggs and helps in pollination. Safe area to lay eggs. That is nothing but one type of award or reward. Award or rewards. What are the awards are? What are the rewards are? So awards are rewards. They are producing nectar. Award. They are producing pollen rate. Award. Honey. They are producing, foul smell. Awards. They are producing, provides safe area to lay eggs. Awards. Not only that. And then there is one more important word. There is a symbiotic relationship is there. One important word. Moth and yucca plant. This is very, very, very important association. Moth and yucca plant. Yucca plant provide the area ovarian chamber. Yucca plant provide the area ovarian chamber to lay eggs of the moth. Moth helps in pollination. Symbiosis means there is two organisms, both are help to each other. You give curry, I give dal. You give pen, I give pencil. Both are help to each other. Symbiosis. So moth helps in pollination. Yucca providing safe area, ovarian chamber, ovarian lacule to lay the eggs of the moth. Without these two association, they cannot complete their life cycle. That much of association, moth and yucca. This is nothing but awards or rewards. Helps in pollination. This is a insect pollination. Briefly, I mentioned the insect pollination. The pollination, majority of flowering plants pollinated by the insects. The two bees. Most common biotic agent is bees. Insect pollination, entomophily. Flowers are large, colorful, fragrance, rich in nectar. What type of pollen? Sticky or spiny. They provide awards or rewards such as nectar and pollen rains. Some flowers which are pollinated by flies and beetles, they produce a foul smell to attract these things, helps in pollination. Amorphophallus, largest flower, 6 feet height, provides safe area to lay eggs. Association, moth and yucca plant association. Yucca provide a safe area ovarian chamber or lacule to lay eggs of the moth. Moth helps in pollination. Both are symbiotic association. This is important for the insect pollination. Next word, pollen. Some insect pollinated plants. Pollen robbers are nectar robbers. Pollen robbers are nectar robbers. What is the meaning of pollen robbers and nectar robbers are? Robber means chore. They came and contact with the flower. They consume honey. They consume pollen rain without helps in pollination. The animals came in contact and consumes pollen rain. The animals which consume pollen rain without bringing up pollination, without helps in pollination. Those are called pollen robbers or nectar robbers. This is nothing but types of insect pollination. Animal pollination में insect pollination. So there is a different kinds of pollinations are there. I'll give that may chance to, that is a neat point of view. There is a important for a neat level. Identify the correct matching, incorrect matching, how many correct to, name the agent involved in that pollination. I'll give the types of animal pollination. Types of animal pollination. Types of animal pollination. उसमें one by one देखो here. First one entomophily. 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 Second one entomophily. Ornithophily. 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 Chiropterophily. 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 Ornithophily. Chiropterophily. Myrmecophily. 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 Ornithophily. Chiropterophily. Myrmecophily. Ophiphily. 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 So different types of phyllis. The flowers are which are pollinated by insects. Pollinating agents are insects. Pollinating agents are insects. That is the entomophily. Bees. Bees are the common agent in insect pollination. Example salvia. Salvia. Ornithophily. Ornithorhynchus. I mean birds. Ornithophily. The flowers are pollinated by birds. The type is a ornithophily. Chiropterophily. Bats. The flowers are pollinated by bats. Myrmecophily. The flowers are pollinated by ants. Flowers are pollinated by ants. Ophiphily. The flowers are pollinated by snakes. Snakes. So these are nothing but different types of pollination. By animals, different type of agents involved in pollination. Sometimes correct to match, identify correct to match, incorrect to match, how many correct to which.
Melacophily. Melacophily means snail is the agent in pollination. We are observing the diagrams. First one, wind pollinated plants. Sometimes they chance to ask question. Identify the diagram. Which of the following type of pollination involved in this diagram? So first A is a wind pollinated plant showing compact inflorescence and well exposed stamen. Question: compact inflorescence and well exposed stamen is characteristic for which type of pollination? Wind pollination. First diagram. Next come to B, A, these diagrams. This is a upper female flowers, stigma, these things. These are nothing but water pollination. Water pollination in Wallisneria, that diagram. Nature B, insect pollination. Insect pollination is nothing but coming to contact the insects. Then insects are mainly insect pollination example. I told na wind pollination example, Karnakabu, grass, wheat, maize, rice, those are. Water pollination example, Hydrilla, Wallisneria, Zostera, Ceratophyllum. Insect pollination example, mango, people, papaya, mango, people, papaya, cucurbits, so etc. Many of these example for insect pollination. This is nothing but in different type of insect pollinations: melacophily, entomophily, chiropterophily, ophiphily, ornithophily, entomophily, different. From this, any doubts, ask me. Thank you very much.